Top 10 famous landmark in the world. Number 1. Eiffel Tower in France. This metal tower with 3 floors stands in the city center of Paris. It was built for the 1889 World Fair Universal Expo to celebrate 100th anniversary of French Revolution. The 324 meters, 1,062 feet high Eiffel Tower was constructed by Alexander Gustave Eiffel and a team of engineers. If you would like to take a steps up to the tower viewing platform on the second floor, there are 74 steps to climb. But luckily, there are also lifts in each of the league up to the second floor. The tower has been visited over 250 million people since opening, and in 2016, more than 7 million visitors were welcomed on the tower's top platform. Number 2. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It runs in sections over the very long distance across China. The wall is also referred as Long Wall, as it is over 21,196 kilometers, 13,171 miles long. It was built with stones, bricks, and tiles, earth as well, and as of wooden materials. The wall was completed in 1644, but it took more than 2,000 years to build. There are more than 20,000 watchtowers along the wall, as it was built to protect the country against invasion from Normans and enemies, to make it easier to collect duty for goods that were transported along the Silk Road. Today, the wall is the most popular tourist attraction in China, with more than 10 million visitors per year, contrary to the popular belief that Great Wall cannot be seen from the moon. Number 3. The Grand Kremlin Palace. The Grand Kremlin Palace is part of the Kremlin complex, and it is located next to Red Square and St. Basil's Cathedral in Russia capital city, Moscow. The Kremlin is a fortress with enclosing walls, and it is built along the Moskva River. The name Kremlin means fortress within the city. The more than 500-year-old Kremlin includes the wall within 20 towers, as well as 4 churches and 5 palaces within the walls. The Kremlin was once the residence of a trust. Today, it is where the Russian president resides. The Cathedral of Vasily the Blessed, usually referred as a St. Basil's Cathedral, is easily recognized due to its 9 brightly colored onion domes. Number 4. Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy is one of Italy's major tourist attractions. The freestanding bell tower on the Pisa Cathedral was built over almost 200 years and was finished in 1399. The original height of the tower was 60 meters by 196 feet high, but it is leaning. The lowest side is now less than 56 meters, 184 feet. The construction already caused many problems, as the soil was soft, sandy, and unstable. Already during construction, the builders tried to balance the leaning side with modern columns on the other side, but the tower still leaned like any other building in the area. Number 5. Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, near Cairo, is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and the only one of these ancient world wonders which still exists. The pyramids are made of stones and bricks and stand near Cairo, which is the capital of Egypt. The Egyptian pyramids were built during the time when there was only manual labor and no machine lifting equipment available. The pyramids were built to house the bodies of the pharaoh who ruled in ancient Egypt. Number 6. Sydney Opera House in Australia. The Sydney Opera House, built in Australia's biggest city, is famous for its roof's architecture, resembling shields and sails. The Opera House was designed by Bjørn Onsson from Denmark, and it was built between 1959 to 1973. The roof is covered with more than 1 million roof tiles. They were manufactured in Sweden. The Opera House have 7 performance halls, theaters, and exhibition spaces. More than 40 shows are staged here every week. Every year, more than 8 million visitors visit this Australian landmark. Every evening, the roof is lit up in a colorful spectacle. Number 7. Statue of Liberty in USA. The Statue of Liberty in USA is 92 meters 305 feet high, and it is made of iron structure with copper skin. Lady Liberty, as a statue often referred as, was designed by Frederick August Bartholdi, and the massive iron skeleton of the lady was designed by Alexander Gustav Eiffel, who also designed the Eiffel Tower. The statue was built and completed in France in 1884. The monument was in 350 pieces and packed into 214 crafts and ships to New York. The Statue of Liberty was a gift of the people of France to the American people on the American Centennial in 1886. The torch flame is covered with 24-karat gold, and the crown has 7 rays for the 7 continents. The Statue of Liberty stands for freedom. The monument stands on Liberty Island in the Hudson River facing New York. You can climb up the 154 steps from the pedestal to the head of the statue, where you can see the fantastic views over the Big Apple, as New York is often lovingly called. Number 8. Taj Mahal in India. The Taj Mahal means crown of the palaces in Persian language. Stands on the river bank of Yamuna River of Agra in northern India. It is a mausoleum. In 1632, the Emperor Shah Jahan instructed to build a tomb for his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal houses the tomb of the wife as well as a mosque and a guest house. The Taj Mahal has been built with white marble and finest materials sourced from all over Asia. It is decorated with precious and semi-precious stones. Lines from Quran are depicted on many walls. The main dome of the Taj Mahal is 35 meters by 115 feet high, and the minarets are each 40 meters by 130 feet tall. It is said that more than 20,000 workers and over 1,000 elephants were used to help with the transport of the heavy materials during the construction. The mausoleum attracts more than 8 million visitors every year. Number 9. Moi on Easter. The Moi are huge statues on the Polynesian island Rapa Nui. The island is commonly called Easter Island and belongs to Chile. The Easter Island is more than 2,200 miles away from Chile, in the middle of Pacific Ocean. The islanders created more than 900 carved stone figures with the oversized heads, were built with tough and compressed volcanic ash. The figure weighed on average of 14 tons, which is as much as 2 elephants. However, the size of statues varies. There are some smaller ones and some bigger ones too. The heaviest stones figures weigh 82 tons and is 10 meters by 33 feet long. They are about 4 meters and 13 feet tall. Most of islanders believe that huge stone statues represent their ancestors. Number 10. Machu Picchu in Peru. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel located in eastern Cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430 meters 7,970 feet mountain range. It is located at Machu Picchu district above the Sacred Valley. Machu Picchu means old mountain in the local Quechua language. It is a famous site in Peru. It is also referred to as a lost city of Incas. The lost city has more than 2,000 different buildings and structures. The city is a magical site and a great example of Inca engineering, as the structures and buildings of the city were also built without using wheels. Hope you like this video.